best foods for glowing skin. Number 1. Carrots. Carrots are high in beta-carotene, an antioxidant that is converted to vitamin A inside the body. It helps repair skin tissue and protects against the sun's harsh rays. Carrots also contain vitamin C that aids the collagen production in the body, which prevents wrinkles and locks the process of aging. You can drink carrot juice on a regular basis or prepare an inexpensive and convenient face mask. All you need to do is to mix grated carrot with some honey and apply it as a face mask to get glowing skin. Number 2. Bananas. Bananas contain high levels of potassium, which helps moisturize and hydrate the skin, making it look fuller, more supple, and youthful. They contain various skin-healthy nutrients such as vitamin A, B, and E. The nutrients in bananas work to maintain the elasticity of skin, moisturize, prevent premature aging and wrinkles, soften and rejuvenate, and fade dark spots and blemishes. Add a banana to your smoothie or breakfast bowl. You can also apply mashed banana all over your skin to make it soft and supple instantly. Number 3. Beetroot. Beetroot is loaded with vitamins and minerals which make you glow instantaneously. Its anti-inflammatory property prevents outbursts of acne and pimples. Just applying beetroot juice as a face mask gives your complexion a pinkish tinge and a radiant look. If you include beetroot as a part of your skincare routine, you'll note that all the dark spots and blemishes will disappear in 5 weeks or so, especially due to the iron, potassium, niacin, copper, and vitamin C content. You can also drink a glass of beetroot juice to purify the blood from within and cleanse the toxins, leaving you with a healthy glow on your face. Number 4. Avocados. Avocados are a highly nutritious fruit hyped in the health world as a superfood and often used to make vegan mayonnaise. Not only do they taste great, but they also offer amazing benefits for skin when consumed, as well as when applied topically. Avocados also contain vitamin E, known as the protector of skin. The fatty acids in this naturally fatty fruit help to provide skin with essential lubrications, which promotes youthful and glowing skin. Number 5. Almonds. Almonds are rich in flavonoids and vitamin E, which is vital to skin health. They can help ward off damaging free radicals and even oxidative damage caused by smoking. Almonds also make a great source of satisfying fiber and protein, and their manganese and selenium content helps keep your hair shiny. Snack on a handful of almonds or enjoy them in almond butter spread on apple slices. Number 6. Coconut water is full of muscle-relaxing potassium and electrolytes to replenish and rehydrate your skin, making it softer and younger looking. Number 7. Strawberries. Being rich in alpha hydroxyl acid, strawberries help get rid of dead skin cells. Strawberries also boost up collagen production, minimize fine line and wrinkles due to the presence of vitamin C. Also, omega-3 fatty acids present in strawberries help lighten the skin tone. Add 1 tablespoon cocoa powder and 1 tablespoon honey to mash strawberries and apply on your face for 15 minutes to get glowing skin. Number 8. Orange. This sweet, juicy, and pulpy orange has a vibrant color and intoxicating smell. This fruit can also work wonders for your skin. They are rich in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant. This means that oranges can help prevent oxidative damage, photo damage, and reduce inflammation. Consume 1 to 2 oranges every alternate day, or drink freshly pressed orange juice with the pulp. Avoid the pulp if you have stomach ulcers. You can also apply orange juice on your skin.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.